Here are 4 things I wish I knew before I built my first subscription app. The first thing is localization. If you ever plan on supporting multiple languages, make sure to plan for this early on. By using a system known as I18N from the very beginning, it'll save you a lot of trouble from having to rewrite the whole code later on. The second thing is to test locally as much as possible. Since I'm using Expo, I can directly run my app on an Android emulator or on my physical device as long as I'm on the same network, and this helps catch bugs early on and save builds. Third, think about how your app is going to handle data before you build too much around it. For example, when it came to handling price changes in the app, I realized it was a little bit too free and things got kind of messy. So what I did was I implemented first in, last out, and by doing this, it made controlling the data a whole lot easier. And 4, don't test with just perfect data. Consider the worst possible scenario and see how your app handles it. So for example, in my app, I was wondering what would happen if a user had about 3,000, 4,000. I went ahead, generated that amount, and I found a bunch of performance issues. So those are the 4 things I've learned while building monthly clarity. If you've developed an app before, let me know what would you add and follow along for more.